Corporate tax is the tax which is imposed on the profit of the company. Profit of the company. Okay, so you can understand in this way. For example, you started one company. Okay, you started a company. Okay, now your company is producing some product. Okay, so for example, product A. Now, whatever product you produced, for example, n number of product you produced. Okay, number of product that you produced is number of product produced is for example n. Okay, so definitely this n number of product you will sell at some price. So ultimately n into price of the product. So for example, whatever value will come. So for example, a value comes. Okay, a value comes. Okay, so you are producing some product A. Okay, so we take X, not A. Okay, so for example, X value come. So this X value is the turnover of the company. Turnover of the company, or you can say income. Income of the company. Now, whatever X amount you have generated, now you will give salary to the staff. Now, when it comes to the salary to the staff, if suppose you form this company and you are holding one position also in this company as a CEO, okay, or MD, okay, managing director or chief executive officer, so you are holding a position in the company, so you will also get the salary. So you will not say that it is my company, why should I get the salary? Okay, so ultimately you will also get the salary for this post. Okay, you will also get the salary for this position. Okay, now you know that these days there is one news with respect to gender diversity at the top level or top management level. So you know very less women occupy the top management post in India. Okay, and your you can say country like Norway, Finland, Sweden, there you will see that in most of the companies the around more than 40% of the top positions are occupied by women. So this can be your expected question in your mains. Clear? Clear? Okay. So ultimately come to this. Okay. So if you are holding position, so you will get salary, or you will also get the salary. So when I am saying salary to the staff, it means you will also get the salary. So whatever X amount, or you can say turnover you have, okay, you will get the salary, number one. Number two, you will give other expenses also. Other expenses like building rent, okay, plus electricity, whatever, okay, other expenditure apart from to run the office, apart from the salary. And number three, now whatever is left, that is your profit. Okay, so this is the profit of the company. No doubt every company will have its bank account. So first you can say this X amount will come to the bank account of the company. So this X will not come in your personal account. Okay, so this will come into the bank account of the company. So from there itself you will do all these expenditure. From there itself you will do all these expenditure. Clear? So whatever expenditure are there, from there itself you will do all these expenditure. Okay. So even if you are getting your salary, so you have your own different account, that is your personal account. So you will get salary from there. Okay. Now whatever is left, that will remain in the bank account of the company. Okay. And that is the profit. So corporate tax is imposed on the profit, not on the turnover of the company. So corporate tax is imposed on the profit of the company. Is it clear? Okay, whereas whatever salary you get as position, okay, or you can say if you are holding any position, okay, so this salary you will get in your own personal bank account, plus other staff also, they get salary in their own personal bank account. Okay, now whatever salary you get in your personal bank account, so on that you will pay income tax. Okay, so income tax you will pay on salary, but whatever profit is left, that on that you will pay corporate tax. Clear?